Hi, welcome to this video of Swipe Inking Tab. In this video, we will show you the method on how to install the Inking Tab software in your laptop or desktop, and steps on how to use it as well. With just a few simple steps, you can start to use Swipe Inking Tab in your online or offline teaching and learning lessons. Part 1. How to install Swipe Inking Tab software. To start, find the pen drive in the Swipe Inking Tab package, and plug into your laptop. Firstly, click on Open Folder to view files. Then double-click on the Touch Setup Inking Tab app. Click Install. Wait for the installation progress to complete. On this prompt-up window, click Install again. Finally, click Close to complete the installation. Following up by rebooting your laptop. Part 2. How to connect your Swipe Inking Tab. In your Swipe Inking Tab package, connect Inking Tab micro USB connector port with retractable micro USB connector. Then connect Inking Tab USB cable to your laptop. For the first time installation on laptop, after your laptop detected the Inking Tab, tablet control center icon will turn to white color and indicate has hardware. Part 3. Start using your Swipe Inking Tab. First time calibrating your Inking Tab with Stylus pen. Click on the center of the crosshair, at the top left corner on your laptop screen display. Then follow up by clicking on the center of the crosshair, at the bottom right corner on your laptop screen display. Finally, click Yes to complete the first-time calibration setup. Click on Board icon to launch the Inking Tab software. Inking Tab software sidebar will appear on the right side of your laptop screen. Next, click on Annotate icon to start writing. Inking Tab software annotation top bar will appear on the top of your laptop screen. You can start writing and teaching now. Part 4. How to charge your Swipe Inking Tab Stylus pen. To charge your Stylus pen, plug in your micro USB cable to the Stylus pen charging port for 2 hours. Battery level will be indicated by the LED. Red color means low battery. Now, you are set and ready to go. Happy teaching! If you like this video, please visit us at e-1.com.my, or follow us in our Facebook for more infos and details. Swipe Inking Tab. Inking your ideas, linking your world. Brought to you by E1 Technology.